In chapter number 1, we already studied two activities, which are activity 1.5 and 1.6. Let's learn another activity, activity number 1.7. Activity number 1.7 says us that to study electrolysis of water. Before learn activity, first of all we draw the diagram for this activity. Take a plastic mug take two rubber cork, take two test tube which is inverted in form with cork, drill plastic mug with two holes and pass it with cork electrodes. Here we take two electrodes of carbon . Fill the water in plastic mug such that electrodes are immersed in water. Fill water in plastic mug such that electrodes are immersed in water. This so gases are liberated . With the apparatus, we attach a 6-volt battery which is in 6-volt . With apparatus, we give the switch, let the Name for apparatus. Label it. This one is plastic mug. This is, here the gas is liberated in hydrogen, so we give it H2 gas. Here O2 gas. These two are rubber cork. This one is switch, and here one is anode. So this one is cathode. The figure shows electrolysis of water. Let's see how it works. Let's write first processor for this activity. Take plastic mug, drill it with 2 holes and pass electrodes through it. Then attach electrodes with rubber corks, which is shown in figure. Then add some amount of water in such a way that electrodes are immersed in it. Take some amount of water in such a way that electrodes are immersed in it. In it means electrodes are immersed in water. Add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid attach the apparatus with 6-volt battery. Let's revise how the apparatus will arrange. Take a simple plastic mug, take 2 test tubes, and test tubes are attached in inverted form, so the electrodes are immersed in water. Take some amount of water and add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid. This one are test tubes. Take 2 test tubes which are in inverted form and electrodes can be immersed with water, and add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid. Attach 6 volts battery with the apparatus. Now switch on and leave the apparatus for sometimes and undisturbed it. To make the process completely, leave the apparatus for some times with undisturbance and switch on and leave the apparatus for sometimes with undisturbed it and undisturbed it. You have to write both the words. Now what will shown in after some times? Let the observation, take the observation. First of all, we study on which surface chemical reactions can occur is called electrodes. Here we have one word question answer. What is electrodes? In which surface the chemical reaction can occur, chemical processes can occur, it is called electrodes. Here we take 2 carbon electrodes. In the electrolysis we have take, but the water is which and the solution is called electrolysis. In electrolysis the surface chemical reaction can occur is called electrodes. We have take 2 types of electrode used in electrolysis, they are platinum and carbon, but we know the platinum is much costly, so the carbon's electron can be used simply in the processes of chemical reaction. We get two types of gases will be seen. Are at anode, as shown in figure. At anode, which type of gas is liberated? Oxygen. And at cathode, which type of gas can be have? Hydrogen. Two types of gases will be seen are at anode, O2 gas will be liberated, and at cathode, H2 gas will be liberated. But here when we carefully see the figure, when we carefully study the figure, the amount of two gases are not same. Here the amount of oxygen gas, and here the amount of hydrogen gas. The amount of hydrogen gas is much as comparatively to oxygen gas. Let's write the volume of gas is volumes of gases are hydrogen and oxygen. Volumes of gases, hydrogen gas and volume of gases, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas is 2:1, 2:1, because the volume of hydrogen gas is much as comparatively to oxygen gas. So we write 2:1. So here the volume of hydrogen gas is much instead of oxygen gas. One word questions answer, or you have to this one is asked in 1 marks question or asked in blank. The volume, the amount of gases, 2 is hydrogen gas and 1 is oxygen gas. Instead of we write 2:1, we also write 1:2, 1:2. So 1 is oxygen gas and 2 is hydrogen gas. So you have to write the answer carefully when it is asked in 1 words question. After study whole process, we have to give the chemical equation for this process. Chemical equation for electrolysis of water. H2O in liquid form when it pass with electrolysis process hydrogen gas and oxygen gas will be formed. To balance the equation, we put 2 before H2O and before hydrogen. Here we notice and we learn about much more thing is the hydrogen is one compound gives one or more product which is called decomposition reaction. So this is also called one type of decomposition reaction. Let's give name it. This one is water, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas. Let's revise quickly. First take plastic mug, drill it with 2 holes on the base of it, and then put 2 rubber corks. With rubber corks attached to electrodes, take 2 test tubes which is inverted in the form of inverted A attached with rubber corks. Add water in plastic mug, but water is put it and water is poured in such a way that electrodes are immersed in water. Then add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid in water and add and attach 6 volt battery with apparatus. Attach switch. After arrangement the apparatus, switch on and leave the apparatus for some times with undisturbed and undisturbed. We put word properly with sometimes with undisturbed it. After observe sometimes 2 gases can be generated, 2 gases can be seen. This is oxygen gas and this one is hydrogen gas. At the anode we get oxygen gas and at the cathode we get hydrogen gas. At anode oxygen gas and at cathode hydrogen gas. Volume of gases are not same in this process. Volume of hydrogen is 2 and volume of oxygen is 1. Write the chemical equation for this reaction. 2H2O gives us 2H2 plus O2. We have to study the gas is hydrogen, so when we put matchstick On the hydrogen gas, pop-up sound will be seen. And we also write the hydrogen gas is seen with pop-up sound, and oxygen gas cannot give the sound effect. We have studied hydrogen gas about